Hi, welcome back on Do It Yourself channel. Today I'm going to show you how to back up your data in the Google Drive and Google account into your Samsung Galaxy M15. To do this operation, slide up, go to settings, now slide down and search for the option name, accounts and backup. Yeah, that's right. And Google Drive, there is a backup app data. So when you choose that, you will see that your account, you can manage the storage of your accounts, and there is a backup by Google one. Yesterday you can backup now, and there is a backup details, so which option with backup on your accounts from your phone. Yep, you can choose the backup using mobile phone or material Wi-Fi data. So that's it about the backup from the Google. So I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave like, leave comment and leave subscribe, and see you by next video. Hey.